Imagine earning money even while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's entirely possible with passive income. Hey champs, welcome to the Money Mind Quest. Today we'll dive into maximizing your money, top easy passive income ideas. We'll explore various passive income strategies, including how to use AI for effortless earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to start generating passive income. If you're looking to increase your income streams with minimal effort, stick around until the end and join the Money Mind Quest champs. Let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn with minimal active effort. It involves setting up income streams that continue to generate revenue after the initial setup. The benefits are numerous: achieving financial independence, reducing stress, having more time for other activities, and gradually building wealth. It's crucial to differentiate passive income from active income, which involves trading time directly for money like a traditional job. Active income requires continuous effort, whereas passive income, once established, generates money without constant involvement. This allows for greater flexibility and the potential to have multiple income streams. Top easy passive income ideas. 1. Real estate investments. Real estate is a classic source of passive income. By investing in rental properties, you can earn monthly rental income. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it easier than ever to start with small amounts. Fundrise allows you to invest in a variety of real estate projects through their e-REITs, while Realty Mogul enables investments in commercial properties. Both platforms provide tools to track your investments and receive payouts directly to your bank account. Using Fundrise. Access Fundrise via their website at fundrise.com. To get started, create an account, select an investment plan that suits your financial goals, and begin investing with as little as $500. Fundrise pools your funds with those of other investors to invest in a diversified real estate portfolio. You can monitor your investments and returns through their intuitive dashboard using Realty Mogul. Visit realtymogul.com to access Realty Mogul. After setting up an account, you can browse various real estate investments, including commercial properties and real estate investment trust REITs. Investments typically start at $1,000. Realty Mogul provides detailed information on each investment opportunity, enabling you to choose projects that fit your investment strategy. Like Fundrise, Realty Mogul offers a platform to monitor your investments and distributions. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks means you receive regular dividend payments, creating a steady income stream. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson are well known for their reliable dividend payouts. How dividend stocks work. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. These dividends are usually paid quarterly, but some companies may pay them monthly or annually. Choosing the right dividend stocks. When selecting dividend stocks, look for companies with a history of consistent and growing dividend payments. Blue chip stocks, often part of the S&P 500, are preferred due to their established track records and financial stability. Reinvesting dividends. Consider reinvesting your dividends through a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP. DRIPs automatically use the dividends you earn to purchase additional shares of the company, compounding your returns over time. Setting up a dividend stock portfolio. To begin, open a brokerage account with platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and often have no or low commission fees for trading stocks. Research and choose a diverse set of dividend-paying stocks to build a balanced portfolio, spreading your investments across different sectors to mitigate risk. Understand the tax implications of dividend income based on your tax bracket and how dividends fit into your overall tax strategy. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and adjust your holdings if necessary to maintain a stable income stream. 3. Creating an online course or ebook. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course or ebook can be a great source of passive income. Platforms like Udemy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing help you reach a global audience. Identifying your niche. First, identify a niche. What unique knowledge or skills can you share that others will find valuable? This could range from graphic design and programming to cooking, fitness, or personal development. After pinpointing your niche, plan your content thoroughly. For an online course, outline each module or lesson, breaking the information into manageable segments. For an ebook, create a detailed table of contents and a chapter-by-chapter summary to ensure clear structure and flow. Creating the course or ebook. For an online course, record video lessons, create slides, and provide downloadable resources. Invest in quality audio and video equipment to ensure a professional look. For an ebook, write clearly and concisely, and consider hiring a professional editor. Design an attractive cover to grab readers' attention. Using platforms like Udemy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Udemy provides tools to easily upload and organize your course content. They handle marketing and sales, so you can focus on creating quality content. Set a price for your course or offer it for free initially to build reviews and credibility. For an ebook, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP is straightforward. Upload your manuscript, design your cover, and set your price. KDP handles listing your book on Amazon and managing sales and royalties. In marketing your course or ebook, promote your course or ebook through social media, your blog, or email newsletters. Offer discounts or free previews to attract initial interest. Engage with your audience by answering questions and gathering feedback to improve future content. Once live, your course or ebook can generate passive income as people purchase and enroll. Regularly update your content to keep it relevant and maintain a positive reputation. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, offering an easy way to diversify your investments. You can start with as little as $25 per loan, and these platforms handle the loan servicing and collections, making it a convenient way to earn passive income through interest payments. Getting started. To begin with peer-to-peer lending, visit lendingclub.com or prosper.com, create an account, and browse available loan listings. Choose loans to invest in based on the borrower's credit profile and your risk tolerance. The platforms manage payments and collections for you. Few more tips to go. Be sure to stick around to see the AI options at the end. Up at number 5, insurance product. Passive income through insurance products primarily involves annuities and certain types of life insurance policies. Annuities provide regular income payments over a set period or for life, offering a predictable stream of money without active management. Life insurance policies with cash value components can also be utilized for passive income through policy loans or withdrawals, depending on the policy's terms. These products require careful consideration of fees, terms, and tax implications, so consulting with a financial advisor is crucial to ensure they align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 6. AI-powered investments. AI can help manage investments automatically, optimizing your portfolio based on real-time data and trends. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are great examples. AI-powered investments utilize algorithms to optimize portfolios based on real-time market data and individual investor preferences. They offer a user-friendly experience where investors can easily set up accounts, link bank accounts for seamless transfers, and monitor their investments through intuitive dashboards. With automated rebalancing and tax loss harvesting features, they aim to maximize returns while minimizing taxes, making them a convenient and efficient choice for passive investors. Additionally, many robo-advisors provide personalized financial advice and goal-setting tools, helping you stay on track with your financial objectives. These platforms often have lower fees compared to traditional financial advisors, making them an affordable option for many investors. To get started, visit the websites or mobile apps of Betterment and Wealthfront, create an account, and answer questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. These robot advisors then recommend a diversified portfolio tailored to your needs, automatically rebalancing it as necessary. They prioritize security with encryption and secure protocols, ensuring your financial information remains safe throughout your investment journey. If you want more options similar to Betterment for AI-powered investments, you may check out 1. M1 Finance, 2. Ellevest, 3. Acorns, 4. SoFi Invest. These platforms offer various features and benefits, so it's a good idea to explore each one to see which best fits your investment goals and preferences. 7. AI-driven content creation. If you're creatively inclined, AI tools can help generate content such as blog posts, videos, or music, which can be monetized through ads or subscriptions. Tools like OpenAI's GPT can generate articles. Platforms like YouTube can monetize video content. This automated content creation streamlines production processes, allowing creators to focus more on strategy and audience engagement. This approach not only enhances content creation efficiency, but also expands creative possibilities for individuals and businesses looking to capitalize on digital platforms. If you want to learn how to create and monetize your own YouTube channel, check out the Tube Mastery and Monetization course in the description below. Please note this is an affiliate link. Conclusion. Now it's time to take action. Choose 1 or 2 ideas that resonate with you and start building your passive income streams today. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort initially, but the rewards are well worth it. Don't forget to join the Money Mind Quest champs. Hit that subscribe button, and share this video to help others maximize their money too. Be sure to check out this video to stay savvy and financially free.